Merced, California enjoys mild temperatures and an ideal climate year-round, but may also experience adverse weather conditions such as tornadoes. Tornado warnings can be issued for Merced, which alert the community to impending extreme weather. Warnings are based on a combination of weather radar data and surface-based observations, and issued with the intent of protecting life and property. When a tornado warning is issued, it is important for residents to be aware of and take necessary precautions. Take shelter in a basement or reinforce an interior room of the home away from windows. Stay away from large open spaces where wind damage potential is greater. Turn off or unplug power, appliances, and electronic equipment in the event of a power interruption. Listen to local authorities for the latest information and updates about the storm. Be aware of changing weather conditions and watch out for flying debris or danger. In Merced, the weather can change quickly, so it is important to stay tuned to weather-related news and local weather updates. Move away from low-lying areas, such as rivers, lakes, etc., as they are prone to flooding if a tornado causes a large storm. Avoid areas where the wind is blowing in an unusual manner, and take caution if a tornado appears imminent. In addition, residents should always avoid cramped conditions as the potential for injury and death is greater in such scenarios. Those in the city must also understand the signs of an impending tornado and take immediate action. Oftentimes, it is a dark green sky prior to a tornado that signals the need to seek shelter. Severe weather may also include hail, thunder, lightning, and strong gusts of wind, all of which may be accompanied by a tornado warning. It is important to dress warmly and wear shoes when a tornado is approaching, as the storm brings with it a tremendous amount of debris and other hazards. Be aware of large structures which could topple over in high winds or even during a tornado. Pay attention to fallen power lines as they can inflict serious injuries if touched. If caught outside, seek shelter in the lowest areas available that have been shielded from the wind. Trees, ditches and culverts can provide shelter from the wind and flying debris during a tornado. Practice safety precautions such as closing windows, doors, and blinds as a precaution against wind damage. Make sure your family has a place to meet if it is necessary to evacuate the area. Emergency supply kits should be ready if a tornado warning is issued, containing water, snacks, flashlights, batteries and a battery-operated radio. After the tornado has passed, keep checking the news for reliable information.